Amazing. I'm going to double check if we are audible on Binance Live. I believe so. GM, everyone, it's definitely a GM because right now it's 6 a.m. over here in New York City, our studio. I'm Moonlight. I'll be your host at our Binance Live session today, and we're very excited to have IBVM team over here. The name is called International Bitcoin Virtual Machine. Sounds really techy, right? We're very glad to have John, Alok, and Romeo over here. We will ask them a lot of questions that we have been collected from our communities. Now I'm going to remove the banner and reveal our backstage over here and inviting each of our speakers to introduce yourself to our audience. Let's starting from John first, since you're the very first one who joined our backstage. Thank you.
Absolutely. Hi, everyone. How you doing? I'm Dr. John Sajadi. I'm one of the co-founders of IBVM and the current CEO, which is IBVM stands for International Bitcoin Virtual Machine. I have been in the blockchain arena for the past 15 years, and I got into it because of the research and development that I was assigned to. It's funny, the first question that I had to answer was, would Bitcoin be feasible if it's adopted by governments worldwide? Would the energy consumption will be bigger than United States of America? What would that leave Bitcoin to for government compliance, for regulatory to decide on gas consumption and electricity consumption? So yeah, my background started from there, but I've been in blockchain and payment business for the past 20 years and developed many projects. That includes, I was a EEA member for governance of cross rollups and rollups for Ethereum as well. So thank you very much. I'll leave the rest to Alok and Romel to introduce themselves.
Thank you so much, John, for the introduction. Now, I said we got a lot of audience watching on Binance Live, so I'm also going to drop a crypto box into our audience over here. And friends, be sure to support IBM by going to their X handle, give them a follow. It's very easy to find. You just search IBVM or International Bitcoin Virtual Machine, and you're going to learn a lot about Bitcoin on their X handle. And well, next, who would like to introduce yourself, Alok or Romeo?
Alok,
Okay, I'll go ahead.
No problem.
All right. Yeah. So hi, everyone. Hi, audience. I'm Alok. I'm the CTO and co-founder of IBVM. I also come with almost 20 years of experience in the technology and in the blockchain and the Bitcoin space from 2016. Got opportunity to lead quite a few companies, and also got awarded from Business Asia Pacific magazine among the best blockchain technopreneurs. Also covered in Global Herald TV magazine, Z News, various other publications in the blockchain space. And here is the opportunity to do something big for the community by adopting this project along with Mr. John and Mr. Romel. So hi, everyone.
Welcome. Thank you so much, Alok, for the intro. And following that, we would like to invite Mr. Romeo. Also, introduce yourself and your role at IBVM. Thank you.
Sure, thanks. Hi, everyone. I'm Romel Jain. I'm a co-founder and COO of IBVM. And alongside, John and Alok, we have been working together for past 15 years. My personal experience goes like I have over 2 decades of experience in building up businesses. And before that, I was a certified CMBS analyst from S&P, that is Standards and Poor's. So bit of financial expert, you can say that. So all the tokenomics and, all the ZK rollups here in IBVM, I'm taking care of it. I'm also spearheading the new initiatives which company is taking and how to make life easier for other developers to come on board. So these are my primary roles here at IBVM, and welcome.
Nice. Thank you so much. And wow, both three of you have been working together for a while, right? And of course, our audience are very curious about what made the team wanted to create a project like IBVM. Do you mind to share the vision with us or overview of the project with us really quick? Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll take the question. Hi, everyone. IBVM, the reason we actually take on IBVM was to make Bitcoin more than a store of value. That's number one. Number two is the safest platform in regards to security, and it's fully public. So we wanted to turn Bitcoin very similar when Web1 was created. It was set of protocols, and then guys like Google, Apple, Amazon, and all the rest came on top and created utilities. But so far, no one has been able to bring that to Bitcoin. So for me, it's a challenge. And we wanted to bring something that is also eco-friendly, but in the meantime, scalable, programmable. And we bring the Ethereum and combine the two to bring the Ethereum basically programmability with the security and decentralization of Bitcoin together as a platform. So our mission is very simple: to build the real world and scalable infrastructure on Bitcoin by unlocking smart contracts, decentralized escrow, decentralized physical infrastructure, which is DePIN, and to help real world connect with Bitcoin itself instead of being basically a state of value. So this is why we built IBVM, to public to actually experience Bitcoin firsthand and benefits from it, and be more adopted by millions of people all around the world, and create a passive income from it through our DePIN solution.
Wow, that's really nice. Thank you so much, John, for letting us know about that.
You're welcome.
And I see that we also got IBVM's community members joining our streaming session over here and asking questions in the comments as well, right? Friends, feel free to post your questions in the comment area on our Binance Live or on our X announcement. Okay, we are going to collect them, and then later, if we still have time, we'll definitely tackle on the questions as well. And of course, the question from my own Binance Live community members over here are curious about the core team members behind the scenes. Do you mind to let us know how big is the team, and also what relevant experience do you guys bring to the project? Especially, are you all kind of like early Bitcoin adapters or the miners? Thank you.
Not a problem at all. Thank you very much. Our team is made up of 90 contributors, 90 plus contributors currently, with 10 executives across seven different countries. Of course, they are mining companies. They are blends from blockchain expertise to fintech backgrounds. That's our executives. Then we have ambassadors that we have 33 ambassadors from almost 30 different countries that are joining on board, and we're training them. All our developers are training them. We have about almost 25 experts and developers that has been handpicked by Alok and me, and through Quest Global. So Alok and Romel, they own also a company called Quest Global Technologies. And with that, they are top 4 blockchain development company worldwide. So we sort of brought that. I personally and Alok, we handpicked all the top developers that we thought could do the job and brought them across to this particular project. But also our communities, we have 33 ambassadors. We have 16 marketing team that are working hands to hands on all different platforms. So I myself bring 20 years of experience. Alok and Romel brings technical knowledge from smart contracts to Bitcoin IBVM capability, interoperability design. Our chairman, Albert Dudden, is one of established fintech investor and a global leader in compliance on ESG, frameworks. We have Alexander Rees as a advisor that is currently the world's family office for Dubai and France. He's joined our team as an advisor and as a commercial, marketing guy as well. So the team goes supported all the way from engineers to ZK roll-up ecosystem, alongside with advisors, banking, central bank advisors, AI infrastructures, and scaling business leaders all the way to NASDAQ, which we are planning to launch in 2027.
Wow.
So we're working the long way, not the short way. So we're seeing IBVM be the next decentralized app store built on Bitcoin.
Respect. Yes, actually, earlier before we officially start our AMA session, John and I were also talking about, since my team's based in the States, right? And John also mentioned that going to move to the States, and so wow, we're looking forward to maybe in
The plan,
2027,
yes.
right? We're going to see you at NASDAQ, right? Wow, that is just marvelous. Yeah. Well, once again, friends, be sure to give IBVM a follow, because this is a project that has been working for a long time, and they also have a lot of great plans, right? And for the future, so don't miss more opportunities to be part of it. And if you wanted to be an ambassador, definitely don't forget to apply for it, right, to the team. And the next topic over here we have is more techie part. Okay, what inspired the development of IBVM's UTXO partition technology, and how does this innovation help solve scalability issues that mainly Bitcoin layer 2 solutions face? Thank you.
Absolutely. So to understand UTXO, you need to understand what a UTXO does, and to understand our innovation with UTXO. So UTXO normally stands for short, unspent, basically, transaction output, if that makes sense. So Bitcoin doesn't sort of track balance like banks do, or centralized banking consortiums do. Instead, they use UTXOs, which is like a digital coin created by previous transactional block that have been yet not spent. So IBVM, think of IBVM each time that UTXO, it's actually, it gets processed. IBVM grabs that particular transaction input and output of that, and what we do with it is, which we are saying, like, the previous block will verify the new block, and the UTXO partitioning system is, it's basically building it in a way that transaction doesn't interfere with smart contracts, and they work in parallel, with each other instead of, simultaneously. So that is basically UTXO does for IBVM. So what we are doing is we're separating smart contract logic from the transaction throughput. That makes it easier to program on, and also batch transaction faster without interfering with the partitioning system itself. So instead of being simultaneously, they travel in a parallel way and completes a transaction throughput. And that gives a very big input, and it stops bottlenecking of smart contract processing solution, which is not interfering with our transaction. So roughly, that's what IBVM UTXO does.
Got it. Thank you so much for letting us know about the details, John. Well, it's not easy to explain technical things to the broader audience, right? But you did it. That's awesome. Thank
I tried my best to sort of not to be technical and explain it in a way like
That's
as a
amazing.
coin rather than blocks, because a lot of people don't understand what you say when it's previous block, after block, and the state of transactions and all that for someone, an audience. So I was trying to make it much easier for people to understand, well, why we're doing it and how it works.
Exactly. Yeah. Especially the community on Binance Life, we are kind of like a broader range. Like some people probably just join and start to use the Binance Exchange for a couple of days, and others already in the industry for many years. And I also see that we have a lot of positive comments over here, right? For example, we see many people typing IBVM diamonds, yes, and also we have Binance zero OJ34 saying it's the best company. Yeah, class global technology. Okay, I believe he still have some more sentences that he wanted to type, and we also have friends saying IBV and Army. Yes, we got IBV.
Beautiful, beautiful. We're actually doing it for the public. It's everything we're doing it to make it cheaper and more available, and to make it simple. What you take so system, what IBVM does, what it is in Access, we're actually upgrading it for Bitcoin in a way that to make it faster and more available to all. So the congestion doesn't happen. It's a very big problem. A lot of people haven't done it. So, that's how we've done it. And it's working.
Nice. Thank you so much for letting us know about that, John.
You're welcome.
And we got some more questions over here. Let me check. Okay. So, previously we have collected several questions from our community members, and some community members, they noticed that recent announcement about partnerships between IBM and different AI projects. So our community members are curious about what's the connections between AI and Bitcoin at the IBVM ecosystem. Do you mind to letting us know what are the benefits the users within the IBVM ecosystem could get with those partnerships? Thank you.
Absolutely. Yeah. So I'll take that question up. So, see, all these companies who are partnering with us, they are allowed to create smart contracts on IBVM. So as you know, like you can create smart contract on Ethereum, Polygon, but not on Bitcoin at the moment. So with the help of IBVM, these companies will be able to create smart contracts, and directly it will be linked to Bitcoin. So all the transactions will directly be rolled up to the Bitcoin chain as well. Now, every smart contract, when it is run on top of the IBVM chain, so the transaction fees, it gets collected, and like indirectly, the value of IBVM tokens will also increase, just like Ethereum was $1 someday, and now it is close to $4,000. Similarly, the long-term goal is all the transaction fees, because it's going to be paid in IBVM tokens itself. So that's where the value for the community will come up, the value for the early adopters will come in. And this is one big point. Apart from that, one more benefit that we are offering is to all the people who are partnering with IBVM. For the community members, we are talking about the discounted rates. So let's say there is one more analytic company which we have partnered with. We are going to announce it shortly in a couple of days. They do AI-based analytics on top of on all the chains, and they suggest what are the top tokens based on AI. So they have a membership plan, and all the IBVM users are going to get very good discounts, all the community members, to their plan. Plus, there is a big summit which is coming up in October in Dubai, and all the community members of IBVM will get exclusive access to the pass at much discounted rates. So this is on top of the smart contract benefits of the transaction fees that the IBVM community will get to enjoy. That's the plan.
Nice. That's quite interesting. And just like you say, right? Well, we cannot just easily creating smart contract within the Bitcoin ecosystem. That is just great. Like IBM is helping your partner projects to do that as well. And the next question is, of course, about security, right? Since that's a major concern in our Web3 space. So how does IBM protect decentralized wallets, especially in scenarios where users might lose their private keys, as mentioned in your recent quiz campaign as well. Thank you.
Yes. So private keys are very, very essential. User must keep their private key secured either on a piece of paper or in some place. However, like we are coming up with a mechanism, like we have already come up with this mechanism in IBVM wallet, that with the help of face recognition tools and fingerprints, user can unlock their wallets directly without the need for private keys. However, still we say that private keys are very essential. Now, going forward, the future road ahead is we are coming up with smart contracts that can automatically recover the private keys of the users from their phone data. That is what the development is in process. But still, I'll recommend all the users to always keep hold of their private key, never lose them.
Got it. Yes, for sure. Right. Never lose our private kids. And yeah, and also the C phrases are so important. Thank you so much for answering the questions from our Banasa community. The next one over here, well, about community growth. Earlier, when you guys were introducing about the project, you mentioned the marketing team is really huge and also ambassador, right? Handpicked them. And of course, you might to let us know regarding the IBVM referral leaderboard. How does that work, and what kind of rewards are available to top referral beyond the current competition? Thank you.
That's a very good and interesting questions, because the IBVM community right now is basically because of the referrals only. So like every person who refers their friend, they directly get 15 IBVM points. These points are going to get converted into actual coins on the date of the TGE. So that every member, like if you go ahead and refer 10 of your friends, you get 150 IBVM points, which are eventually going to get converted into money. Apart from that, we are also constantly like putting up this referral contest. So there is one contest which just ended, I think, a day before yesterday, and we rewarded the people in 10 days, in the duration of 10 days, who had the highest referral, and we rewarded close to 15 people. Now, another referral contest is going to get live either tomorrow or day after. So once again, apart from this IBVM referral points, our community members, like if they invite their friends, families, just to download the wallet and follow us on Twitter, Telegram, they will be getting the referral rewards plus this fixed USDT amount. So that is something that we have put in for the community.
Nice. Thank you so much for letting us know about that. And friends, if you haven't participated in IBS campaigns yet, be sure to join. Don't miss the opportunity to get rewards. And let me check right now. Wow, we got more and more audience joining us. And friends, be sure to also check out IBS official X handle for more information to understand this project. Okay. And the next question, collected from our community is, in terms of technology, how does IBVM's ZK raw based layer 2 compare to other Bitcoin layer 2 protocols, especially when it comes to programmability, right? And then smart contract support. Thank you.
Romel, would you take that
I
up?
will.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thanks, Alok. So, in terms of comparing IBVM chain with other solutions, so let me tell you right off the bat. In terms of technology, nobody has rolled up on BTC yet. We are the first one to do that. Rest all the claims which are rest all the chains which are claiming that they are doing it. They are just the side chains or a better version of EVMs, not actual rollups. So what we have gone and done is we have actually rolled it up to the BTC chain, and you can check on our Explorer. We have tutorial videos and video proofs that all the rollups are being done, actually executed on the BTC chain itself. So that provides greater flexibility and the power of our data compression techniques and the ZK rollups. Now, apart from the, you also ask about compatibility and cross-chain, features. which we are, essentially compliant with all the different chains. So we support over 80 chains on our block IBVM network and ecosystem. So anybody can come and build dApps on top of us, and they can use their known language. So they can there are detailed documentations available on the website. Yeah,
Well, no,
hope that clarifies.
thank you so much. Yes, and we do have a lot of great questions. I also continue to add new questions from the audience to the question list. So yeah, please also check. We got more questions over here, and let me continue since we have a lot of interest, right? Wanted to learn more about IBVM. So we are going to continue our discussion over here. And originally we have our committee members want to ask about IBVN's future roadmaps, right? And especially previously, John actually mentioned a bit about the vision, right? So can you share any upcoming developments or some milestones that the committee should be excited about? Thank you.
So in terms of roadmap and product feature launches, we are very excited about one of our projects, which is called as T Minter or Token Minter. Just like you name it as Terminator, it's a token minter. So what that will do is it will give power to the community to come and just key in, just tag in their wallet, put their supply and their basic features, and their token will be launched within 5 minutes. Within seconds their token will be launched. So if you as a person, you want to launch your own cryptocurrency by the name of Moonlight, let's say, you can just come, attach your wallet, and within 5 seconds your token is ready. So that's how simple we want to make programming and token generation easy on our blockchain. So this is the first set of products. One escrow is already launched. It's a fully decentralized escrow solution which is already launched. And the biggie, which is coming in next couple of months, it will be the DeepIn. We wish to connect all the people in the world with the mobile phones or any electronic device, so their phone will work as a mining device, and you can mine your tokens from that. So this is what we are working on.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the updates. And now it's time for our questions, our live questions part. Okay.
Sure.
Yes, we got questions from our IBN Army asking any updates regarding new tokenomics.
Yes, we do have the new tokenomics. We're going to be presenting it into our website with our white paper, and also the numbers, all related numbers will be listed there, and also will indicate when we're going to launch, which we're going to tell you guys. It will be October, they call it, or October. So your tokens or IBVM token will be launched in October into public exchanges, but pre-sales starts on 27th of August. And before that, it will be for community members only. So, and it will have a limit of purchase and the maximum and minimum of purchase for our community first. We already been approached by many venture capitals. We don't want to let them have that first. So we want you guys to come on board first, take the benefit of the first round because it's much cheaper than the second and exchange rate.
Exactly. And also, a follow-up question on this is how do you determine who belongs to and who is the community at IBVM?
Community members are mostly recognized originally as the wallet holders. Whoever has our wallet, they will be the first one who will be receiving the token and the options. So basically, we're saying download the wallet, follow our Telegram and Twitter so you know the time and when the flash is going to start, the pre-sale, and you can purchase it online.
That's
through our website.
Yes, that's definitely really important. So friends, be sure to start use IBVM's wallet, and then you might be qualified for this rare opportunity.
You will be qualified.
Okay, okay, great. So start to use the wallet, you'll be qualified for this, yeah, very good opportunity, right? To come to token sale round. Nice. And of course, yeah, we got people asking any existing functions or product that you can share with us as well, especially for new people, yeah, who just learn about IBM through our bonus life session.
Yes, we are developing grants and SDKs for developers, a ZK grant solution, whoever builds our ZK technology. Of course, with Deepin Marketplace, to run as an ESCO service as well. So it's a lot of income through Deepin. You can connect. So Deepin technology, I'll give you a scenario. Uber came and they became very successful because everyone had unused cars and they can start driving it and making money if they don't have. But here, it's any unused device will turn into a passive income for everyone.
Oh.
So yeah, a lot of great things are on its way. And of course, what Ramel mentioned, make your own token built on Bitcoin. Come up with an idea, and you can create your smart contract, design it. We will market it within our launchpad so people can actually see what you created. It will be among millions of people. So that itself is something really cool. Like Moonlight, you can actually create your own token,
Mhm.
have your own brand, ask people to buy and pay you with Moonlight token.
Yeah, that's definitely a very interesting idea. Thank you, John. And
You're welcome.
yeah, let's collect more of our audience questions over here. Okay, so for new users who think Bitcoin Layer 2 is kind of complicated to understand, how do you guide them to learn more about IBVN and also to be part of the community?
Absolutely. We are actually bringing IBVM Academy very soon, and that will be sort of an education solution. It will have our own programming techniques and programming languages that we use. It's completely different from Ethereum or any other platform. But the beautiful about this is that whoever participates in the academy will even get a job at IBVM itself once you pass those training sessions when we launch IBVM Academy. So yeah, it's all about public. It's all about getting to that last person. So making Bitcoin itself was democratized. It's for everybody. It's a public chain, but we want to reach it to every corner of the world because now it's very expensive, but we want to make it cheaper in a way for everyone to transact and have access to a faster, transaction throughput, a cheaper transaction throughput, and have a wallet that is fully decentralized. You own it. Everything in it is yours, and you can grow it just by connecting with IBVM platform itself. Once our community members realize what we're building for them, and they could participate in mining Bitcoin, mining even Ethereum, creating staking pool solution for them to use our DPIN and turning their mobile phone and unused devices into microservers. That itself is something that we want to bring back to our community and the public. So we're taking it from enterprises and bring it back to the public. Roughly, that's what we do.
Very nice.
So to add,
Academy.
just to add to John, we also have a tutorial series on our official YouTube channel. So guys having troubles on the airdrop or wallet, they can go there and just watch quick 1-minute videos to understand more about IBVM and how to use our products.
Well, yes, exactly. That's actually the beauty of right now. We are also doing video AMA session, right? Compared to like spaces only audio, right? And so our audience next question is actually if the team can share the screen and guide our audience through your website from how to download the wallet and then to different products that you could give us a quick a video guide right now through sharing your screen. Is that doable?
Absolutely doable. Hello, can you do that? Do you have a computer in front of you? Hello, can Ramal? Okay.
I think some problem at his end. Let me try and share it.
That would be great.
Just
Thank you
hold
so
on.
much.
If not, I can start
We can
going.
try that. Yeah.
Yeah, because the reason why our Binds Life audience they love to watch MA sessions, they could really learn
Absolutely.
a lot from the teams.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
This is our official channel on YouTube. You can just click and see the tutorials, how to create your private keys, how to change the blockchain, how to earn from airdrop rewards. Then it's a step-to-step walkthrough of how to use our escrow services, which is a very interesting tool. Then if you are a broker and you want to use our fully decentralized escrow on the wallet, here is the tutorial guide for you. Then how to add our IBVM testnet RPC on any of the wallets you are using, that is also available. How to claim your free IBVM testnet tokens from the faucets, how to deploy the tokens. All the tutorials are there. There is a curated playlist also for basically if you want to know more about wallets. Here is the whole tutorial series. So all videos related to wallets will open up. I'll just stop it right here. Then you can simply go to Play Store, and all the links are, by the way, available on our official Telegram channels as well. Let me check Play Store.
Or you can just type in ibvm.io, just get into the website and just let them know how they can download the app.
Yeah, that's better, I think, actually. Yeah.
And also, if you don't have access to app stores, you guys can download it by our APK links.
That's really convenient.
Yeah, so there is links available through our link tree, so they can actually access all those information from there as well.
So for Android users, they can also use it, right, by the APK.
Absolutely.
Nice.
If people don't have access to Play stores, they can download the APK version of it, and it's exactly the same as the original one.
So I think it's still loading, some problem with the internet. So, this is the layout of our website. I'm audible? Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Raman.
So you can, simply if you are using an Apple, you can just click on here and download from App Store. Here is the direct link for Android. You can connect your wallet, IBM wallet, to the website as well from this QR code. There are, few. We have swap, wallets, and airdrop sections here. If you want to join an ambassador program, you can just simply scroll down and just click apply now here. Okay. And you can learn about the advantages, how we are making the world greener, and what do we stand for. Here is the Telegram community link, Twitter link, and how our refer and earn program works. You can also spin a wheel to earn more tokens and claim airdrops. So you can learn everything.
If you can go to our Telegram community, so let them know what we have. We have it in Chinese language. We have an Indonesian language. We have a news channel that will announce all the new stuff that we have. We have a Telegram bot. So basically for airdrop campaigns and all the rest of it, it's a very comprehensive Telegram group. So it's not like everyone else is just a Telegram and all the messages gets lost. All you have to do is to click on the news and you will see the today's news. We have announcements. All the announcements will be in that section. We have people, we run competitions for the best rap. We got even people like professionals are creating music for IBVM now. Rappers rap
So
about
this is
IBVM. So yeah, it's very explained, and we are bringing more languages. We are bringing a European one, which has French, German languages in it, with all that included. So exciting times ahead. We are here for a long run. We
Mhm.
wanna make Bitcoin greener. It's not about the hardest. Someone asked me, what is the hardest thing you've ever faced so far in this project?
Mhm.
I said, the hardest thing is that I've told people that I've built it on Bitcoin and they don't believe it.
Oh,
but but the test net is there to test that. But they're still asking question, have they really built this?
right.
So yes, we have. It is secured by Bitcoin. It never leaves Bitcoin. Your transactions, when you're transacting or building something, it is on Bitcoin itself. It's anchoring on Bitcoin. So you have the security and privacy of Bitcoin, but you're getting a much greener and faster technology.
Wow. That's definitely really nice. And yeah, so since you mentioned the most challenging things, right, to do while building the project, how about the most rewarding thing that you see while over the years throughout the journey while building IBVM?
The rewards will be number one. We probably save more electricity than United States consumes. Full stop.
Oh.
On our research, it shows currently is about 400 billion transaction on blockchains.
Mm-hmm.
Since Donald Trump announced America will be on chain within 18 to 24 months.
Mm-hmm.
Blockchain consumes electricity, and they want privacy and security. That's the reason everyone want to be on blockchain, because they don't want their data to be lost and it's data breaches and all the rest of it. We are combining the whole thing together and providing a solution that, number one, it's faster than any other chain exists. Number two, is scalable. We compress data and compress transactions. It's limitless. Our our roll-up technology, it's limitless. We can roll up to 1 billion transactions and send it off as one. Our system is capable of doing 67 trillion transactions in 24 hours, comparison to Bitcoin of 1 million. I'm just giving you some sort of numbers. So
Mm-hmm.
for us, to be the next decentralized Apple, that's what will be my reward.
Wow. Yeah. Decentralized Apple is definitely very very good goal over here for IBVN. Once again, thank you so much for joining us. I see that we have audience also saying the app is really smooth, and people saying I love IBVN family, which is just amazing to show that how strong, how great the community is, right? And now we're passing over 21,500 live views. And friends, once again, be sure to continue support IBVM. Okay, and kind of at the end, I would like to invite each of you to share something that you would like to our audience know about, but we haven't had a chance to discuss about. Thank you. John, would you like to start?
Yes, I want the audience to know that I built this to include everybody,
Mm-hmm.
to include basically create a democracy for people to earn alongside with big enterprises. So it is for you, and I hope it creates millions of jobs internationally once our deep comes in. I'm thinking if we get just Uber on board with their mobile phones, that will be almost 1 billion users. So it's there for you, and it's created for you. It's going to create a lot of jobs, especially a passive income for every household that they cannot put food and water and drinks on the table. Yeah, this will give you, no matter where you live, what community you're from, it will provide a passive income for you.
That's
Thank you.
definitely really important. Thank you so much. And especially, John, you also mentioned the IBVM Academy, right? After people learn the courses and they might get a job, which is really amazing. Thank you. And next, we would like to invite Aluk. Would you also like to share any additional information with our Binance Life audience? Thank you.
Absolutely, Moonlight. Thank you. So I like to share that the early adopters would be the winners. So earlier, like when we had less than 30,000 community, the rewards were double. Now the rewards are slightly lesser, but still there's a lot of time to go. And we have been approached. We are getting left and right approached by the exchanges on a daily basis to come join them. But we have thought that we will be listing only on the top 5 exchanges.
Uh,
And who will be benefited from this? Our entire community, our early adopters, like the people who are trusting us now. So I'll say that now is the time. Come and join the community. You don't have to do much. Just have to spread the word. Just have to test the technology yourself. That how things are getting shaped up, how the transactions are happening, and come on, be together in building this future for the Bitcoin world. That's what I want to share.
Nice. Thank you so much, Luke. Yes, of course, great projects definitely well approaches by a lot of exchanges, right? So congratulations on that achievement as well. And we do hope to see that IBM token will be listed on the top 5 exchanges. Next,
Absolutely. Thank you,
we would
Moonlight.
like to invite Romeo. Would you like to also share some final words with our audience or any additional information that you want our audience to know about? Thank you.
Sure, definitely, definitely. Thanks for this. So a very exciting feature which we are working on currently is you will be able to pay for your movies with our e-commerce integration. So if you are on Netflix, or for African public, if you're on Pesaflix, we have official partnership with them, and we will be rolling out a feature where your movie would be sponsored by IBVM tokens. So you can use IBVM tokens in these kind of platforms, so which provides an extra opportunity for you to utilize your tokens for day-to-day services rather than like apart from the investment. So it provides a good utility going on.
That's definitely really interesting and very useful, right? Using that in our everyday lives. So, yeah, make more use cases. Wow, that's really
Yes.
nice. Thank you so much, everyone. And I see that, wow, we have friends from over the world. I saw some friends sending their national flags emoji over here. I have friends from India. And I also see that we have people, yeah, from over the world posting in different languages. And once again, shout out to all of our balance of audience. We have close to 23,000 live views right now. And we will also have our replay ready. Usually, yeah, I can actually also send the complete recording to the team. Usually it take about 48 hours for the Binance Cloud to process, but it's a kind of like a great opportunity for the community members who missed the live streaming, right? You can also watch the replay as well, and feel free to share it with their community or on X, or yeah, with Telegram, everywhere that you want to the community members know more about the IBM project. And once again, thank you so much all for joining this AMA
Thank
session.
you very much.
Great.
Thank you. It was very nice meeting you. Thank you so much. God
And
bless.
stay in touch.
God bless everybody.
Nice
Take care.
talking to
So
you.
much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Thanks.
bye, everyone.
Okay, I'm going to share the banner over here and disconnect us to the streaming session. Once again, friends, well, today this is a great AMA session, right? And I'm going to check over here. Oh, right, I forgot to mention we're actually also featured on the front page of Binance Live. So let me share it right now. Okay, yes, because at the end I was kind of like focusing on any additional information the IBM team would like to share. So I myself forgot to share my screen. Here we go. Let me do it. Okay, this is the page and this is my screen sharing button. I'm going to click on that. Here we go. So if you go to Binance.com or the Binance app, and you're going to see our AMA session with IBM, the International Bitcoin Virtual Machine is featured over here on the front page on the very top of Binance Live. And well, I do hope that everyone can support the team, right, by giving them a follow on X, and their X handle is very easy to find. Just go to x.com and then search IBVM or International Bitcoin Virtual Machine. And today we have interviewed the three core team members and the important speaker over here. Okay, and I also received feedback. We have Remedy saying thank you for giving good information. Okay, and you also have friends saying, IBVN got something coming. Big fan. Nice. Nice, friends. Thank you all for supporting our guest speakers project. We do hope that, yeah, we will see you all again pretty soon. Continue to follow it. Thank you. Okay, and also, friends, don't forget to click on the corner top left and claim your crypto airdrop as well. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.